video camera?
Right here.
Hey, Warrior, you gotta get this.
Get out.
No.
It's not leaking, is it?
Okay, right here underneath. There you go. Good spot for you. You know how much everybody likes me to sing for your birthday. Are you supposed to?
He gets down on the knee, I'm running.
I thought maybe you deserved a special one. So,
You are special.
oh, happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday. That skylight that's up there isn't leaking everywhere. Oh, happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Thank you. Let's get some balloons picked up and get back to work, huh?
I got work to do over here.
I want to know who put the guy picture on my door, too.
Happy birthday there, boss.
Thanks. You in on this? No. How the hell did you blow up this many balloons? I know you guys are full out there. Hell, I can't even get in there.
Somebody got to post some pictures out on